Hi, y'all. So let's review the problems that were mentioned in the video, and let's do it our way that we have been learning. So, whenever you're given mass and you're given acceleration, you know you are dealing with a Newton's second law of motion problem, F equals ma. Okay, so F equals ma basically means force equals mass times acceleration, but we have learned that we can represent it in a triangle. Force equals mass times acceleration, so force is on top, and ma, or ma, is on the bottom. And remember that the force up here means dividing. So force divided by mass, or force divided by acceleration. Okay, so all you have to do is, once you have this triangle drawn out on your scrap piece of paper, you just have to substitute your number. So 7,150 kilograms is a mass. 7,150. And the acceleration is 2 meters per second. So all you have to do is, to figure out force, basically you need to take mass, so 7,150 times 2. And on Illuminate, if you were taking this on the IA test, all you have to do is go to the calculator tool and plug it in. Make sure you type in your numbers correctly. And it comes out to 14,300. And force is measured in newtons. So that's our answer. Okay, let's move on to the second problem that they mentioned. Car's mass is 1,200 kilograms. The force of the car going forward is 3,400 newtons, and the force of friction going against it is 400 newtons. What is the acceleration? So F equals ma. That F must be a net force. Okay, so basically it's a force of all. Net force means all the forces added together. Okay, so in the picture we see that 400 is going backwards. That's the friction. 3,400 newtons is going forwards. We always circle the bigger force. That shows us the direction, so we know the force is going to go forward. All we have to do is subtract. So 3,400 minus 400 is 3,000 newtons. So our force is 3,000 newtons. And our mass is 1,200. And we don't have A. So if you're doing this algebraically, all you have to do is, to get that variable A by itself, we do the opposite. It's multiplying, so we do the opposite. We're dividing. 1,200. So all you have to do is 1,000, or 3,000 divided by 1,200 equals 2.5. So acceleration equals 2.5 meters per second squared. Okay, now the other way to do it, whoops, let's undo. The other way to do it is, let me make my eraser, I think I can make my eraser bigger. Is you do our force triangle. If you're not confident in your algebra skills, our force triangle is, always remember, F on top, ma on bottom, F ma. Okay, this means dividing. This means multiplying. Okay, so all you have to do is substitute it into your triangle. So mass is 1,200. And the force, always make sure you are getting a net force. Okay, so because these forces are going the opposite direction, you're subtracting them. Okay, if they were going the same direction, you're going to add them, but these are going in the opposite direction. So this is 3,000. So basically, to get acceleration, you have to do 3,000 divided by 1,200, which is going to come out 2.5 meters per second squared. Okay, so this is how you do problems like these. Okay, you are going to, in the next few slides, do a lot of review and practice of the second law of motion and how to do this mathematically. Good luck, you guys. Calculate things carefully, and I'll see you later.